I mean, just give me a sec. I'm just going to grab what Scott got me recently, what he sent me, so I can show you one of the things. So it's so funny, right? Because I was talking to Scott about this when he sorted it out for me, because when I saw it in a box, my first thought was, "Wow, that looks really small." Right? So it's this little guy here. These were big in America. They weren't so big over here.
I'm not sure. I've not seen that before.
I got one of these from Nuxley Toys, and so basically you lift it and a little gun comes out. One of the hinges has gone. I need to try and repair that. But also with the arms,
cool looking thing, though, isn't it?
Yeah. With the arms, when you got a button on the back, and when you push it, the arms do that.
I didn't realise that done that.
Yeah, it's a little button.
Cool.
Just there. They all do that.
I did not know that.
And then you've got a stopper as well, so they will actually stick on things, right? So you can stick them upside down to that, right?
That's cool, man.
This
Martin's
was the one...
saying he loves them robots and all that. I've got all the others on hold for him.
Yeah. So this was the one I had. There was a couple of others, but this was my one. And my brother had one called Enemy, which has got like a panel that lifts down on the front. It's got guns in it. So anyway, the thing is, like I was saying, when I saw it, my first reaction, I'm thinking, that looks tiny. Did they bring a mini version out then? And I'm thinking, I'm sure they were bigger than these. And so to me, I'm thinking, I'm sure they're about like this sort of size, you know? Of course, it hadn't even entered my head that when I held one of these last, I had smaller ends.
Yeah.
So of course, it would have seemed massive, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You know, it was really weird. Like, so when I saw it, I was like, that looks like a mini version. It's like, oh, hang on a minute. It was during the 80s. You would have been like, what, 6, 7, 8 years old. You had smaller hands, Lee. Think about it. Like, you know. But yeah, so yeah, that was one of the things that Scott and Jade sent through for me. So yeah, it really made my day. That did when I opened that up. I was like, oh no way. Like yeah. So I haven't seen one of these for well over 30 years. So yeah, really appreciate that. It's nice.
You're talking about things like from back in the day as well. Like my memory is absolutely terrible. You know what I mean? It's, you know, like when you see something and then all of a sudden it twigs. You know, like wow, yeah, I remember that now. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So when we were talking about movies the other day, Lee, you guys were talking about stuff, and I'm thinking, man, I need to go watch these movies again because I cannot remember. You know, so. It's
really weird with nostalgia and memories. Is it can just be the cover or someone else mentioning that game, and you're like, "Oh my god!"
It triggers something.
It's weird how you all remember different games, different things.